Pontiac. We're doing a G-body shuffle. Got the old original 3800 in her. See how you read that? Got an oil pan leaking. We're gonna pull the oil pan off of her and get at it. First things first, get this oil drained out. That drain plug needs a new gasket too. Well, oops, got the pan off. I'm gonna take that pickup off and clean it up. I got the pan over here in the tank. Got that dude flushing out. Gasket scraped off. I'm gonna grind it down, dress it up. New gasket should be here soon. Got the pan cleaned up, pretty good. I'm gonna put this second coat of old high-tech. Hold the gasket on there good. Yeah. Be nice and sticky. Lay the gasket on here. Get it lined up. Get it pushing down. Make sure it's stay on there for us. Let that set up. Whoops. Let that set up for a little bit. I actually need to spray some on the gasket too. It doesn't act like it's sticking very good. Oh, now it is. Now it's starting to stick. It was degassing. Alright. Very good. Cleaned up the oil pickup tube. Cleaned the surfaces. Put a new gasket on that. Now to put the pan in there, hopefully. Alright. Got the belly pipe bolted back on. And put the transmission flywheel shield on there. And put some oil in it and fire it up. Oh, I got lucky. The exhaust sealed up the first shot. Oil pan looks pretty good. Fan's blowing plenty of air on it. The lights, we can see a little better. Oh yeah, looking real good. And I had to put a tail shaft seal in it too. I had to wipe it off. But all original, including the rust. We're gonna take it for a drive. This thing still has R12 air conditioning and it works. This thing's pimp. Alright, we're gonna go for a test drive. Big old long nose on this thing. Man, there's just nothing like riding around in a classic car. 40 years old, rides like you're sitting in your living room couch. Shoot, don't get better than that.